Hola, ¿qué tal? Hi, how are you? In today's video, I wanted to do something with the Spanish numbers from 11 to 20. The reason being that they're often quite tricky to learn. They have a bit of a change in cycle, they don't sound as nice as the 1 to 10s, at least half of them don't. And I just wanted to help people not to just go from 11 to 20, but to take them to be able to pluck them out of the air and to be able to say them randomly, to be able to say 15, to be able to say 19, to be able to say 20, 12, 15, 17, just that quickly, okay? To do it that quickly though, it does take practice. So the more often you test yourself on your numbers, the better. So hopefully this video will help you to get started. We'll be reusing the numbers again and again in different orders so you can start to get that random access working and just pluck numbers out of the air. So let's go through the numbers from 11 up to 20. Just repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien, okay? And now just count with me if you can. We'll do it several times. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And here's my commentary on how to remember the numbers separately. So we have 11. Think of once. One number over 10, once. Once. That's how it's written, O-N-C-E, once. And then 12 is spelt very similarly. It's spelt doce, D-O-C-E. So you have once as once. Doce, take the D from dos, meaning number 2. Dos becoming doce. And then again you've got the th sound for 13. So go to tres, uno, dos, tres, tres, and say trece. So you've got once, doce, trece. 11, 12, 13. Once, doce, trece. For 14, you can't really take cuatro to say cuatroce, but you can shorten it to catorce. Catorce. So try and take the beginning from all the numbers in the units. 1, 2, 3. Uno becomes once. Dos becomes doce. Tres becomes trece. Cuatro becomes catorce. And 15, to get 15, if you think of keen at 15, quince, 15, quince, just think of the memory aid of someone being keen at 15, quince, quince. Then after that, you use 10 and the number. So we say 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, and 10 and 9. So you basically say the number 10 and then you add, you keep counting from 6 to 9. So let's try that. 10, y 6. 10 y 7. 10 y 8. 10 y 9. And then finally you have 20, which is just 20, 20, 20. It's spelt with a V, but pronounced as a soft B. 20, 20. So think of vain, someone's vain at 20, vain, 20. And just remember to convert the V into a B, 20. Does that sound better? What I'd like you to do to make that work is obviously to give it some more thought, to really think it through, so the next time you are needing to recall numbers in a random sequence, or at least to help you do them in a rhyme, in a sequence together, to just go through them and make them have more importance in your mind. Otherwise, you may forget the memory aids and they won't really be there for you when you need them. So let's go through from 11 up to 20, and I'd like you to think and try and bring up the memory associations that I mentioned in the previous part of the video as I'm saying the numbers. And if it's not quite stuck just yet, just go back to the beginning a few minutes ago and continue that again. So here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien. Okay, so now for the second part of this video, which is all about getting you to recall the numbers out of sequence. To make it easier, I've got a list already and I'd like you to use it. I'd like you to listen to what I say and then translate into Spanish. Okay, so the number 12, 12, the number 11, 11, the number 20, 20. Shall I give you more time? I'll give you more time. 13, 13, 14, 14, 12, 12, 11, it's 11, 13, 13, 18. Remember it's the two parts. 18, 11. 11, 14. Think of number 4 as your starter. 14, 20. 20, 15, 15, 20, 20, 11, 11, 16, 16, 12, 12, 14, 14, 17, 17, 13, 13, 14, 14, 18, 18, 11, 11, 13, 13. Okay, I'm going to read these quicker now, so just speed up. It should help your brain to function better for you. If you test it and get it to act faster, it will often be there for you more regularly at that faster speed. But that takes practice. You need to test your brain quite regularly. So get a friend to test you, or just request me some videos and I'll make them for you as tests. Okay, here we go, nice and fast. 13, 13, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 12, 12, 13, 13, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 16, 16, 14, 14, 12, 12, 20, 20, 19, 19, 15, 15, 18, 18, 16, 16. Okay, quick break. Okay, I'm going to go faster this time, and I'm not going to look at the camera. Ready, steady, vamos. 15, 15, 18, 18, 16, 16, 11, 11, 17, 17, 19, 19, 11, 11, 20, 20, 15, 15, 18, 18, 16, 16, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19, 19, 11, 11, 20, 20. Okay, I mean that wasn't as fast as I could have gone, to be fair, but hey, you're still learning, so I hope you enjoyed that. The challenge is now, could you count back from 20 down to 11? Do you want to go with me and try? Okay, let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 y ya está. Muy bien. Fantastic. So if you want another way to test yourself, then try and beat me to all the answers that we've just done. So go back a few minutes and do the test again, but make sure you beat me before I even say a single sound, okay? So if I say 15, you want to have said 15 before I say 15. So just try and do that. And also, why not get a friend to join you and see who can say it faster and gain the most points. So don't forget, you can press the pause button, you can press the space bar or click on the screen to just to pause the video while you're learning the numbers if you need a bit more time to repeat or need a bit more time for your test than I've given you. Okay, so I will write the Spanish numbers below. I won't put them on this screen as it's not so much of a tutorial as a way of memorising them and actually committing them to memory. So I wanted to work more on the audio part rather than visualising the spellings and so on. But I will write the numbers in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Please share with your friends and social media, etc. Help me spread the word of this channel, and then I shall be able to dedicate more time to growing it as my followers increase. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. Hasta luego!